Hello and welcome back. So in our previous video, we went through and generated our 3D property volumes. Now in that video, I showed you how to display it in a .vol file. So we set up our displays in the volume file itself. In this video, I want to show you how we will display this in our .map file. And the reason for wanting to do this is we've already spent the time to set up our views for the 3D or for our map, for our 3D view, and so we'd like to have our volume in here as well. So to do this, what we will do is we will click here on the Add Layer icon in our 3D window. We'll add a new slice view. I'm going to choose my quartz volume. This was a volume that I made of the quartz using that data that we had written. I will hit Add here. And you'll see that it adds the volume here. Now, the volume is kind of like this grayscale color. I want to address that, so I'm going to add a new tab. I'm going to add a slice view, and I'm going to select to show me layer 1, and I'm going to scale this from 0 to 0.75, and I'm going to give this a turbo color palette here. Okay, and I'm going to save this. And now I've got the 3D view in here. You'll notice that it is also showing our model outline here on the here on our map as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just scroll through this volume a little bit, get our view set up. So I'm going to move our inline, our time slice or our depth slice through there, and I'm just going to adjust where we have a few of these slices going through, and this gives us this beautiful 3D view here. And I'm going to turn off our deviations in here so we can really see what's going on. And you know what we can see is we have the shallower interval, very high quartz volumes through here. Then we go into some lower quartz volume intervals here at the top of our Niobrara formation. If you remember, the Niobrara is shown here in this lighter green. We can see that we have a higher quartz interval that's available in there. So, you know, that's a very interesting display that we have here. And you'll notice that part of the slice here is showing up in my 2D projection view, and that's because it's intersecting the screen that we have here. And you'll see that I can actually put this on top of here, and we can make a beautiful 2D view of this as well. So you can really see, you know, how the stratigraphy is going on and where we have these higher quartz intervals in here. All right, so that is all we have to do to add the slice view to our map. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.